What's up, everybody? The topic that got brought up was, how do you feel about people on their cell phones in your cars?
Oi! Get off your phone! Oi!
I mean, a lot of places have laws against it, so see, my state, we don't have any law against it, like at all. Like, no laws against cell phone use in your vehicle. It's kind of dumb. It came up for a vote and they turned it down. It's like one of the laws you think they would want to pass. You know? I don't quite understand that. I mean, I haven't looked at any statistics to see, you know, what the death rate is or anything like that a year for texting or, you know, phone use while driving. I would imagine it's high enough that they don't want to pass that law. I mean, drinking and driving, you know, that shit's illegal. People die all the time for that shit. But anyways, back to the point. How do you feel about it? For me, it honestly depends on what mood I'm in. I'm in a bad mood, more aggressive mood. If I roll up on a dude or a chick, whatever, on their phone, most of the time I'll say something to them. Sometimes it gets to me, sometimes it doesn't. I'm in a pretty good mood. Most of the time I let it go. Unless I see them swerving around or in and out of lanes, you know, they're acting dumb or something like that, you know. So I just flipped that guy off because he didn't wave at me. Fuck him. Stupid Harley riders.
Hey, asshole!
But I don't know, it's just sort of those curiosity things. Like I said, you know, if I see them fucking up while they're on their phone, then yeah, I'll rev at them, make a gesture, you know, hang up your fucking phone, blah, 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 whatever. But other than that, unless I'm in a bad mood, I usually don't give a shit. I mean, I've been guilty of being on my phone while I was driving. Hell, I fucking text while I'm riding, so. But Cena and voice, or talk to text helps out a lot. Except when fucking talk to text don't work and you can't get your words right. You gotta sit there and fucking delete every fucking thing you typed. I don't know, that's just kind of where I'm at. You know, it's, I guess I could say I'm on the fence about it, but I'm not. I'm more against it than I am for it. Especially if I'm riding. But like I said, it's not illegal here, so I can yell at somebody all day long and it don't fucking matter because it's not illegal. If it's illegal, you know, then people are like, oh shit, I'll put it down. But, you know, they'd be like, yeah, fuck you, dickhead. And then I smash their mirror. There's a fight, people get shot, there's blood everywhere. Then we go home about our separate ways. Oh, my favorite traffic circle. This damn left floorboard wore to fuck it down. Might be coming in a little bit too hot today. Let's find out. Yep, too hot. Nope, there we go. Let me get that speed just right. Wow, I'm sliding like crazy though. Why am I sliding? It's weird. She almost acts like she's trying to slide out on me. I saved it. But anyways, I thought I'd just throw that out there. Thank Mr. Captain Granite for this topic. So, as usual, everybody have a good weekend. And I will catch you on the flip side. Later.